Hi everyone, welcome back again to another housing vlog. To ensure you don't miss any new videos when we upload them, we encourage those who are new to our channel to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Videos are regularly posted on our channel, so stay subscribed. In today's video, I have this spacious 3 BHK flat for sale in Bengaluru. Overall, it's an 1500 square feet apartment with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and 2 balconies. The flat is located on the 5th floor out of 10th and is facing east direction with overlooking garden, clubhouse and swimming pool. The apartment is available for sale directly from the developer. It's an unfurnished flat with freehold ownership. The property is situated in a gated community with all the basic amenities. Together with the unit, you also receive access to 2 covered parking spaces, a continuous supply of water and fully power backup. The project is very much closer to metros, railway stations, schools, colleges, hospitals, financial districts and other important business centers. So this spacious 3 BHK flat is located at RR Nagar in west part of Bengaluru. And the asking price for this flat is 1 crore 10 lakhs non-negotiable. That's it folks from this video. Hope you all found it interesting and useful. Meet you all in the next one.
Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.